This tutorial will cover how to use the research process step-by-step link in the Quick Links box on the library's homepage. This is a great tool for all of your classes here at JWU. Let's click on this link and it will show you what a wealth of knowledge and resources that it has. As you can see, this guide gives you all types of resources to help you through the research process, and the best part is that we have broken it down into different steps with each resource that you need. Each step is located in tabs located at the top. This is an easy way to navigate this guide. Locating information is the next step in the research process. So we have put together resources that will help you find books, ebooks, videos, images. As your instructor may want an image of a country or an object that you're doing research on, and also articles, websites, gray literature. If you're not sure what this is, then check it out. It's good to know. It also has search strategy and a basic handout on how to search Academic Search Complete, but that can also help you with many other databases. So now that's step number 2, but let's now go on to step number 3. Next, you need to evaluate the information you have found, especially if it's from the internet. Not all articles in the library's databases are all scholarly or peer-reviewed, unless you choose to search for only that type of material. Otherwise, the database also contains popular and trade magazines. You can see that it has many other information that you need for your research. Now let's look at step number 4. This step is actually the writing of your paper. This step gives you help on taking notes, shows you how to outline your paper, incorporate source material, and how to do a literature review. Now let's go on to the next step. This is number 5, step number 5, and this step is about citing your paper. So you will need to cite your sources that you use in your paper. Notice that plagiarism is the first link under this step. That's because it's very important to know how to make sure that you do not plagiarize your paper. There are very serious consequences for plagiarizing. So we give examples on how to format in MLA and APA, and then also how to write annotated bibliographies. And then the last page that I have to show you is if you scroll down on the research process page, you will see over to the right the Center for Academic Support, or CAS. This is also a writing center. So in addition to the steps to the writing process, there are some other resources on this research guide. And here are some information about the CAS, or Writing Center, that you can book an appointment with a tutor. So if you click on Book Now, you can make an appointment with a tutor that can help you with citing your sources or even helping you write your paper. This concludes the tutorial on how to use the research process step-by-step guide on the library's homepage. If you have any questions, check out the right side of the library's homepage to find the many ways to get your questions answered. We are here for you.